Are you tired of using a hairdryer that leaves your curly hair frizzy and tangled? Well, fear not. Fiddler has rounded up the top 6 best hairdryers for curly hair. First up, we have the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. This hairdryer uses intelligent heat control to prevent heat damage and keep your curls looking their best. Not only does it dry your hair quickly, but it also comes with magnetic attachments to help style your curls. The Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is a high-end hairdryer that is designed to dry your hair quickly without causing damage or frizz. It has a powerful digital motor that is 6 times faster than a traditional hairdryer motor and produces a high-velocity jet of air for efficient and fast drying. One of the key features of the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is its intelligent heat control technology. This technology measures the temperature of the air being blown out of the dryer 20 times per second to prevent overheating and protect your hair from heat damage. This ensures that your hair is dried quickly without being subjected to excessive heat that can cause damage and dryness. Another feature that makes the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer stand out is its magnetic attachments. These attachments include a smoothing nozzle, styling concentrator, and diffuser, which can be easily attached and removed from the dryer. The smoothing nozzle is designed to dry hair gently and reduce frizz, while the styling concentrator allows you to focus the airflow for precise styling. The diffuser is ideal for curly hair, as it helps to enhance curls and reduce frizz. The hairdryer is also lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it easy to handle and comfortable to use. While the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is a high-end option and comes with a higher price tag than some other hairdryers, its innovative features and advanced technology make it an excellent choice for those looking to invest in their hair care routine. Next on the list, we have the DevaCurl DevaDryer. This hairdryer is specifically designed for curly hair and features a unique diffuser that enhances your curls and reduces frizz. It also has multiple heat and speed settings, so you can customize your drying experience. The DevaFuser attachment has a unique design that features 360-degree airflow, which helps to distribute the air evenly and gently across your curls. This ensures that your hair is dried gently and evenly without causing any damage or frizz. The DevaCurl DevaDryer also has multiple heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your drying experience to your hair type and styling preferences. It has a powerful AC motor that is designed to dry your hair quickly without causing damage. Overall, the DevaCurl DevaDryer is an excellent choice for those with curly hair who are looking for a hairdryer that can help to enhance their natural curls while reducing frizz and damage. Its unique DevaFuser attachment and customizable settings make it a versatile tool for creating a range of curly hairstyles. The Conair InfinitiPRO 1875-watt hairdryer is another great option for curly hair. It features a diffuser attachment and a powerful AC motor to dry your hair quickly without damaging your curls. One of the standout features of the Conair InfinitiPRO hairdryer is its ionic technology. This technology uses negative ions to help reduce frizz and static, leaving hair smooth and shiny. The hairdryer also has a ceramic technology that helps to distribute heat evenly, preventing hot spots and damage to your hair. The hairdryer comes with a concentrator nozzle that can be used for targeted drying and styling, as well as a diffuser attachment that can be used to enhance curls and reduce frizz. It also has a cool shot button that can be used to set your style and add shine to your hair. Overall, the Conair InfinitiPRO 1875-watt hairdryer is a versatile and effective hairdryer that is suitable for a range of hair types and styles. Its ionic and ceramic technologies, customizable settings, and attachments make it a great option for those looking for a high-quality hairdryer at an affordable price point. The T3 Cura Luxe hairdryer is a high-end option for those willing to invest in their hair. One of the standout features of the T3 Cura Luxe hairdryer is its ion generator technology. This technology emits negative ions that help to reduce frizz and static, leaving hair smooth and shiny. The hairdryer also has a ceramic technology that helps to distribute heat evenly, preventing hot spots and damage to your hair. The hairdryer also has a range of convenient features, such as a volume booster switch that can be used to add volume to your hair, and an auto pause sensor that stops the airflow when you release the dryer handle. The hairdryer also has a cool shot button that can be used to set your style and add shine to your hair. The T3 Cura Luxe hairdryer is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle and lightweight design. It also has a long cord, which provides plenty of room to move around while drying your hair. Overall, the T3 Cura Luxe hairdryer is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-end hairdryer that offers advanced technologies and customizable settings. Its ion generator technology, range of attachments, and convenient features make it a versatile tool for creating a range of hairstyles, while its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and easy-to-use experience. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Hairdryer is a popular choice among curly-haired folks. It features a powerful 2000-watt motor that provides fast and efficient drying, as well as multiple heat and speed settings to customize your drying experience. One of the standout features of the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Hairdryer is its Nano Titanium technology. This technology helps to distribute heat evenly, preventing hot spots and damage to your hair. The hairdryer also has a far-infrared technology that helps to dry hair faster and reduce drying time. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Hairdryer comes with a concentrator nozzle that can be used for targeted drying and styling. The hairdryer also has a cool shot button that can be used to set your style and add shine to your hair. It also has a removable filter for easy cleaning and maintenance. The The hairdryer is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a lightweight and ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use and easy to handle. Last but not least, we have the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. The Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer is a unique hair styling tool that combines a hairdryer and a brush in one. It is designed to dry and style hair simultaneously, providing a quick and easy way to create a range of hairstyles. The hairdryer features a unique oval brush design that helps to create volume and shape in your hair, while the ceramic technology helps to distribute heat evenly, preventing hot spots and damage to your hair. The brush also has multiple heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your styling experience. Overall, the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile and easy-to-use styling tool. There you have it, the top 6 best hairdryers for curly hair. Whether you're looking for a high-end option or an affordable choice, there's a hairdryer on this list for everyone.